If you think you need an entire toolbox to repair your electronics, think again. The Fantic E1 Max 3.7V Mini electric screwdriver is a game changer. With a slim, compact design and 50 magnetic parts, it can effortlessly handle everything from phones to laptops. 1. It has automatic and manual modes, adjustable torque, 0.2 Newton meters and 0.05 Newton meters, and runs at 200 revolutions per minute for quick repairs. 1. The rechargeable battery can handle up to 400 screws, and the built-in LED light helps in dark areas. 2. It's a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Grab your Fantic E1 Max 3.7V Mini electric screwdriver now. Link in my bio.